we mass produce our Eviarc sweet seedlings using this very effective method. Ang tawag dito, in-arching. Instead of cutting the scion tulad yan, instead na putulin siya at idugtong sa rootstock sa baba, ang ginawa namin ay inangat yung rootstock and then isiningit dito sa scion, no? So siningit siya dyan, binalot, and then unti-unti aagawin niya ito from the mother tree. So 45 days pwede na siyang putulin, and ang survival rate is about 95 to 98%. Ang kagandahan nito, mabilis sapagkat hindi na i-stress yung seedlings. Kasi ordinarily, kapag yung normal na grafting method, saddle or cleft grafting, tatanggalin mo ng dahon to. So it would take some time before the scion could recover. But in this case, wala. Yan. Kung ano yan, kung anong dahon niya, pagputol dyan, yan na yung dahon niya. And so, what we do, yung iba naming mga mature na mga puno ng Eviarc, we pruned them. We did not allow them to bear fruit anymore. We are using them for production of seedlings sapagkat mataas ang demand ng Eviarc sweet seedlings. So you could copy this. It's not a new technology. It was just shared with us, and we have proven to be very effective. The survival is 95 to 98%. This is the in-arching method.